Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chevy Tahoe LS. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.3 V8 pushing out 355 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 22-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A gray cloth interior. Plenty of space in the back. Rear climate controls. Third row seating. We've got our LS badging. Trailer hitch. Opening up the tailgate. We've got a set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Coming up front, we've got power windows, a wood trim, power seats. Up and in. We've got our steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for our media display. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This Tahoe has 97,296 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Tahoe, check out feldmanimports.com.